You owe me a train ride, says Dave Trains official. So we had a little bit of a bet, him and I. I said I wouldn't post any content for a couple of weeks, and he said, oh, I bet you'll only last 3 days. Well, I've cracked on about day 5. This is footage filmed on Betton Grange 6880 on the Gloucestershire Water Railway on a firing and driver footplate experience filmed using the camera glasses, which was quite cool. This footage will probably flop and people will have scrolled by now, but I hope you are enjoying it so far. Thanks for watching.
I was always taught when you put a round on to look at the chimney, because if you got no smoke, you haven't hit the spot then.
Just lift it up till it goes tight, there might be a little bit more.
What I'm surprised about with 7 on, it's up on the needle, it's obviously just steaming freely.
I can see why it is.
Yeah. Yeah, not main valve, no. Flew to the line.